man, so hammer that on your signature.
All right, well, June 10th. This is 32 South Coolidge. We are 100% put new glass in this window, new heater. No, wait, we didn't do the new heater. We just refurbed this one. Okay, that's right. We rehung this window. This entire room was burned black with carpet, and it was really bad, dark. So all of the sheetrock, this whole wall of framing has been done. Ripped out all the old cabinets, updated the lighting, put in new cabinets, countertops, etc., etc. So this is what our bathroom floor looks like right now. We're gonna replace that fan. We're gonna do shower, toilet, vanity. A bathroom we're trying to remodel here. They had, the toilet was over there, and they had a little bitty corner shower right over here, and the sink was right about there, but anyway, little tiny bathroom, but we got her done. Weird tile floor that she had to put in, but it, you know, it works. It works. So, little tiny thing. The electrical in here was quite the challenge. Porch, because the old ceiling was just, it was really rough looking. They'd used OSB or something weird on it too, and it just looked really rough and nasty, so we just covered it up in this way, used this paneling, did this whole wall. Gable end, yeah. Did that whole gable end, and we did, I think, rebuilt one truss or two trusses, put a bunch of new roofing, you know, re-roofed, patched the roof in and stuff, so yeah.